Good morning. It is time for our Heggerty lesson. I am Mrs. Anderson. This is our kindergarten Heggerty lesson for week 7, and it is Monday. And I thank you for joining me today. Again, I am sitting outside. I was inside a little bit earlier, but now I have another son home from college. He graduated, so he moved back home. So now it's even more noisy in my house. So I had to come outside today. It's a little chilly. The wind is blowing a little bit, but hopefully I'll be okay. I have a blanket and maybe a little heater, so we'll be fine. All right, are we ready to go? I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you did something fun. Went outside and played, read some good books, maybe watched a good movie, and did something creative. So we'll see how we do this week, all right? We are starting out. We have something new that we're starting with. So I am going to say a word that is a nonsense word. So it's not a real word, but it rhymes with a real word. So I'm going to say the nonsense, the funny, the made-up word, and I want you to think about the word that would rhyme with it and tell me the right word. So all of my words that I'm rhyming with are numbers. So for example, I might say the number is Zine. And you're going to say, not Zine, 9, Zine rhyme. Okay, so let's see how we do today. My number is Zun. Zun. You're going to say, not Zun, 1. How about Foo? Foo. My number is Foo. You're going to say, not Foo, 2. My number is Quee. My number is Quee. You're going to say, not Quee, 3. My number is Tive. My number is Tive. You're going to say, not Tive, 5. I'm going to say, my number is Zate. My number is Zate. You're going to say, not Zate, 8. My number is Pix. My number is Pix. You're going to say, not Pix, 6. And my last one, my number is Bevan. My number is Bevan. You're going to say, not Bevan, 7. You are right. It was 7. All right. In our next section, am going to say a word, and then I'm going to say 2 other words. You're going to tell me which of those 2 words has the same beginning sound as the word I start with. So, for example, if I say can, my word is can, and I have cake and mop. Which one has the same beginning sound as can? You would say cake, okay? So my word is feather. Feather. Which of these 2 words has the same beginning sound as feather? Fish, seed. Fish and feather have the same. How about pale? Pale. My choices are done and pear. Which is the same as pale? Pear. How about west? My word is west. Okay, the choice is will or fold, which is the same as west. Will or fold? Will. My word is take. Take. My choices are have and tug. Have and tug. Which one has the same beginning sound as take? Take and tug have the same. And our last one, my word is marble. Marble. Which has the same beginning sound as marble? Moon or long? Marble. Moon or long? It is moon. Good job. And it is chopper time. Do you have your choppers up? Get your choppers up and ready. We are I'm going to give you 2 parts of a word, and then you're going to put them together, okay? So we're taking 2 parts of a word, or maybe 3 parts of a word, and then you're going to put them back together. And after you put it back together, I want you to tell me if there are 1, 2, or 3 sections in that word, okay? So I will chop it up. Then you're going to, in your head, be counting those chops and tell me if it's 1, 2, or 3 chops. All right, so let's try that out. So if I have the word useful, you're going to say useful, and there were 2 chops, okay? My next word is spider. Spider. The word is spider, 2 chops. Ready? Fingernail. Fingernail. The word is fingernail, and there were 3 chops. Volunteer. Volunteer. We'll put it together. Volunteer. And there were 3 chops. Good job. Our next one is slip-er-e. Slip-er-e. We put it together. We have slippery. And my number is 3. Unafraid. Unafraid. We put it together. Unafraid. And my number is 3. Gladly. 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 2. Perfection. 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 3. Table. Table. 2. Plastic. 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 2. Good job. All right. I am going to say 2 words. I want you to listen to the last sound we hear in those words, okay? So you're going to tell me the last sound you hear in both of these words. They have the same ending sound. Ready? So I'll say them, you repeat them, and then tell me the last sound. Here we go. Time, game. Time, game. Ride, sad. Ride, sad. Roof, life. Roof, life. Bug, tag. Bug, tag. Will, sell. Will, sell. Take, talk. Take, talk. And our last one, huge age. Oops, got my hands wrong. Huge age. Huge age. Nice. All right, I think we get our choppers back out. This time, I will say the word, and you are going to chop it into segments, and then you're going to tell me how many segments there were in that word. There will either be 2 or 3, okay? So I will say the word, you get to chop it up, and then you're going to tell me how many chops you put in that word, okay? Our first one is banana. 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 3. Spoken. Spoken. 2. Habitat. Habitat. 3. Squirted. 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 2. Explain. Explain. 2. Popular. Popular. 3. Cradle. Cradle. 2. Different. Different. 3. Lotion. Lotion. 2. Campus. Campus. 2. Good job. All right, this time I'm going to say part of a word, and then we're going to add the ending to it, and you're going to tell me what the word is. All right, so if I start with the word dirt, no. If I start with the word dirt and we add E, my word is dirty. How about spook? E, spooky. Cloud, E, cloudy. Snow, E, snowy. Rain, E, rainy. Good job. All right, so we're going to start with a word. I'm going to take the ending off of that word, and you're going to tell me what is left, okay? So I'll have the word, I take the ending off, you tell me what is left. My word is painful. Painful without the full is pain. Helpful. Helpful without full is help. Useful. Useful without the full is use. Hopeful. Hopeful without the full is hope. And our last one, thankful. Thankful without the full is thank. Nicely done. All right, and now we are going to change the beginning of that word to make a new word. All right, so we're going to change the beginning to make a new word. My word is chunky. Chunky. I'm changing chunk to speed, and my word is speedy. Speedy. I have speedy. I'm changing speed to mud, and I have muddy. All right, I have muddy. I'm changing mud to fun, and I have funny. My word is funny. I'm changing fun to crab, and I have crabby. My word is crabby. I'm changing crab to chunk, and I have chunky. Chunky. Very good. All right, it is letter time. So I will hold up a letter. I want you to tell me the letter name and then the letter sound. All right, so when I hold a letter up, I want the name and then the sound. Here we go. Ready? Name, J. Sound, J. Name, X. Sound, X. Name, P. Sound, P. Name, ooh, don't get fooled. I see the B, bat first, right? So name, B, sound, B. Name, S, sound, S. Name, Q, sound, Qu. Name, N, sound, N. Name, M, sound, M. Name, Y, sound, Y. Name, K, sound, K. Name, U, sound, Name, E, sound, Ooh, I see this scrumptious donut first. Don't let it trick you. Name, D, sound, D. Name, A, sound, A. Name, F, sound, F. Name, R, sound, R. Name, W, sound, W. Name, V, sound, V. Name, G, sound, G. Name, O, sound, ah. Name, T, sound, t. Name, I, sound, I. Name, C, sound, k. Name, H, sound, h. Name, Z, sound, z. And our last one, name, L, sound, L. Very good. And the last thing that we are doing is we are learning a new nursery rhyme this week. So every day this week, we'll add another section to it, and by the end of the week, we'll have the whole thing learned. All right, our first one today, our nursery rhyme this week, I should say, is Hickory Dickory Dock. Ready? So I will say it, and then you repeat it after me. We'll do that a couple times, and then we'll say it together. All right? Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. And it's your turn. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. Let's say it together. Ready? Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. There we go. You guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you go out and do something fun. I hope that the weather is good for you. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.